What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruce and in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy bitcoins / my favorite way of buying bitcoins. If you guys are new here, please subscribe for more content and like and comment anything you guys want. Alright, let's get into the video. So in today's video we will be using the website and service called Coinbase. I'll provide the link in the description. Coinbase is it's my favorite way of buying bitcoins, and what you want to do, you want to sign up. I made a fake account, so you want to put in your name, your email, I live in Mass, so just put Mass here. Storefronts. Here we go. Hopefully that's right. Okay. Password does not meet minimum strength requirement. Okay. Let's do this again. So you would want a really strong password so no one can hack your account, obviously. Create account. Come on, this gotta work. Verify your email. And then, so this is the next step, verifying your email. Now, it'll take you to this screen. Are you an individual or business? I am an individual. Okay, so we're gonna put in a phone number. I just made that on Google Voice. Pro tip, I don't know if you want to send out your number or anything to random people, especially on YouTube, so get a Google Voice number. Alright, verify, please. Copy and verify. Payment, you want to add your bank account or your credit or debit. The fastest way is to add a credit card or a debit card. So then after you add your bank or credit card, you want to buy. Obviously it'll send you to the buy screen. Here we go, skip, I'll do this later. Awesome. So now we have added our bank account to Coinbase. We can go buy some bitcoins. This is the dashboard page. We want to go right to the next one, buy, sell. And let's say the fastest way to buy it is with a credit card, right? So press buy, Bitcoin. Let's say I want to buy 20 bucks worth. This will automatically calculate how much it is. It's 0.00328 of Bitcoin. And to instantly buy it, all you have to do is just press here. Before you press there, let me show you. Keep sliding it. You are buying 0.0033 of Bitcoin. Your payment is a Visa card. It is instant deposit to your wallet. Coinbase will give you a free Bitcoin wallet, so don't worry about anything about that. They have a convenience fee of $1.49, so they subtract it from exactly how much you want, and all that will be a total of $20. Just press buy Bitcoin, confirm your transaction, review all your details before confirming, because why? You cannot cancel a transaction once you press confirm buy. Your purchase was successful. 0.0033 of Bitcoin will be in your wallet. Let's view dashboard. then you go into your accounts, and you can see here that I have 0.0032 BTCs in my wallet. Shows you exactly how much is in there and how much you bought it for. It is complete. And that is how you buy Bitcoin. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And please like and subscribe. This is a really quick video for you guys, all you newbies that don't know how to buy any Bitcoins, and now you do. So yeah, let me know if you guys having any troubles. I can help you out. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.